Okay, so I just pulled this out of the refrigerator. So let me go ahead and I'm going to cut these out separately. I'm just hoping it's not too cold. If it's too cold, it might snap. So I'll go ahead and I'll cut this piece off first. Great, there's one. Probably get the other one out of this piece. Okay, so we'll do the same thing, the little wood grain type deal. And then I can go ahead and put my barn together. Okay, so this is going to stand up towards the back. So what I need to do is put some chocolate down here. And I actually have a little bit of, this is regular coating, a white coating chocolate. It actually is coming back more to room temperature, which actually is pretty good. It's going to actually make this set quicker. So I'll just take some of it and spread it down here. Okay, and just pop this behind it for a second just to hold it up. Then get my red chocolate that's still melted here. And then these are going to stand out here, so I need a little chocolate in here. And then I should pop this right about there. Okay, so make sure that's, you know, standing straight up. Now I can go ahead and do the other one. And I'll have this one be just a little bit more closed. Okay, and that's a little bit too much white chocolate in there, so let me get some of that out. Use a spatula. Okay, good. Alright, so now we can go ahead and do the trim. So I need to just clean this up, wash my hands, get the red off my hands, because we're going to start working with some white, so we'll be back.